Good morning. We're here in beautiful Asheville, North Carolina. And we got a little bunny rabbit over here. Ooh, look at a little bunny go. Well, anyways, we're off to go do some hiking today, and then we're gonna do a lot of drinking. Since it's all brewery themed in Asheville, of course you have to get a gravy flight with your biscuits at Biscuit Head. Looks like a poor little bunny rabbit met his doom.
R.I.P.
So we're at, what is this, Richmond Hilltop Park?
Yes. Richmond Hills?
Richmond Hill Park? Something like that. It's right outside Asheville, or in Asheville. We're not really sure. But it's not bad. It's got a disc golf park. It's got hiking trails. It's got mountain bike trails. It's pretty scenic.
I saw him standing outside, and I'm looking out the window, and all I could see was a tiny bit of red. I walked up there and said, "Do not come."
It's a good exercise though, it's like parkour. Right? I don't want to be itching for the next week.
Everybody's all paranoid about getting poison ivy, and I'm just sitting here like, la-di-dee, la-di-da. Ooh, look at this plant.
Yeah, aren't you like immune to it?
Yeah, I don't know. They say your allergies flip, but I've never gotten poison ivy. I've always been able to roll around in it. Lucky me. Oh, guess what we're not immune to? Pricker bushes.
Tread lightly.
Oh, it's a sea of pricker bushes. All right, let's watch everybody go through the gauntlet. Oh, Chris, they're gonna get Chris.
Not nice.
Fuck. All right, I think we made it through the thicket. So we didn't film anything last night when we got into town, but this is brewery number 5. We're at the Oyster House. Nice cascading effect. Nice and smooth. All right, we're on to brewery number 6. I think it's called One World Brewing Company. Hopefully it's a little bit better. My expectations are at all-time low right now. Why is my phone still going on? What do you want, Google? Well, Shell, we finally found one. Cheers.
I watched 30 minutes of it and I shut it off.
Double dry hopped pale ale. It's called Baby James. We're at One World Brewing Company.
I found no money.
So this is Baby James. He's an actual cow, not this. He's a plush, but the actual cow was sick and he was babied inside a house. And now they feed him all the spent grain that comes from this beer.
And he's healthy now.
Yeah, and he still wants to live in the house. What do you think of this one, Shell?
It's good. It's at the top.
Yeah, it's a lot better than most of the things we've had. Good stuff. Check out Burial.
I got touches.
Shelly's international habitat with the dog touches.
Maybe.
So we were just at Green Man Brewing Company, and the beer was really good. We didn't film anything in there because we were just having too much fun. But they got a
people.
yeah. They had a couple IPAs on. They were good. A couple sour
Milkshake
beers
was
and
good.
Milkshake.
yeah.
They call us
Really
Ruby.
cool space and cool people. Definitely go visit it.
Yes, your phone. I just can't answer.
Got the goods. Now let's see what the hype is all about. Oh, what's the verdict, Lunchbox? Yo, my shit disappeared so fast. All of a sudden, there's a cup of water. It was pretty decent. It's I don't know if it lives up to the hype. Like it's good, but best restaurant in the United States for whatever year it came out. I don't know, dude. That shit's strong as fuck. All right, we're gonna see some good fucking North Carolina hula hooping. It's good North Carolina
Good
hula
old
hooping.
North Carolina. I'm hula hooping.
I got it. Dude. When you've been drinking all day and you come home and you think you can hula hoop.
Fuck, dude, I don't remember.
Come on, man.
Trying to do this shit.
Alright, let me try.
Alright, yeah, alright.
Let me try.
Let's see this guy. No, pass it. Get another one. There's a bunch hanging right here.
Go for it.
Alright.
Alright, you fuckface.
There's a couple out in the
Nick,
yard
you're
too.
supposed to hula hoop, not hump it, okay?
I'm gonna have to put duck quacks in the middle of all your
Oh, this fucker. Oh, god damn it.
Alright, calm down. Don't get so excited that he can hula hoop better than you. You're way too excited about that.
Too drunk for that shit.